Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I have another movie review for you guys. This one is called Host, and it is a horror movie, and it's not even really I wouldn't classify it so much as a movie, because it's only 57 minutes long. So I guess you can call it a short, maybe? I don't know. But it was made for the Shudder streaming channel network. Shudder has a bunch of horror movies on there. It's basically dedicated to horror and sci-fi. And this is an original that was made for Shudder. Also, you can buy it or rent it on Amazon. So, yeah. So, Host is about 6 friends who hire a medium to hold a seance via Zoom. It takes place during the lockdown, which we're all going through. So, it's one of those movies that brings the whole Zoom thing into it. Everything that happens on screen happens through sort of like the Zoom lens. So 6 friends, they hire this medium, and they get together online. And the first thing the medium says is, don't mock the spirits. Don't make fun of the process. And of course, somebody goes ahead and does that. And, well, it opens up a whole cacophony of strange things and horrific things. So, and that's basically, you just watch it unfold in as it happens on the Zoom calls. And very reminiscent of the Paranormal Activity movies, where you see everything through the security cam footage and stuff like that. So yeah, it's very reminiscent of that. One of the things that I really liked about this movie was, and I also liked about the Paranormal Activity movies, was I like seeing how they make paranormal things happen, like sort of in real time, to where you can't, it looks real, so it's very impressive, and they did a really good job at that in this movie. The acting was pretty good. I mean, it was pretty realistic, I guess, as far as how you would expect people to act in this situation. I wouldn't classify it as really scary. I mean, I watch a lot of scary movies, so I'm kind of jaded when it comes to scary movies. But this one, so I mean, if you're not a big fan of scary movies, or maybe you don't watch them that often, you might get scared with this movie. But for me, the scares come from waiting for something to happen. The anticipation to build up, and then so yeah. And this, like I said, it's only 57 minutes, but there's a lot of things that happen in this film, and overall, I enjoyed it. I thought it was pretty well done. And like I said, nice, short, 57-minute film. You can get it out of the way fast, give you something to watch. Yeah, I give it a 4 out of 5. So, Host, it is on Shudder, and it is also on Amazon Prime Video for rent or buy. So, check it out if you're into horror, if you're looking for something new to watch, something quick, and that's what I have for you. So until next time, stay safe, and see you next time. Bye bye.